We settled last Friday above the 295.39, a channel top. That was part of a range of resistance that we clearly pushed above. There was also a longer-term horizontal channel top that we settled above the very same day that indicated 364.29 speed line resistance as a 2 to 3 week target. So we're in the middle of that, and we're about 60% of the way there already. On the way up, there is this 343.07 channel top. We came very close to testing that on Tuesday, well suited to contain daily highs. We could fall away from here. First and foremost, if you're a 3 to 5 day swing trader and you're still long, this is a good area to take at least some profits because we can fall away from here, possibly back to the 295.39 area. Actually, it would be this trend line. If 343.07 holds nicely, we fall back to what is then new channel support, 280 or something and climbing. But we'll use 295.39 as the immediate objective. Once we test 343.07, that is possible. Now, this is a counter trend sale. So if you short sale 343.07, it is a counter trend move. But nonetheless, if you're an aggressive swing trader and you're adept at these kinds of trades, this is it right here, 343.07. But also know that we're expecting 364.29 as a 2 to 3 week target. And if we push through 343.07 today, it is the low 350s that is in reach. And as I've been saying the last few days, the low 350s are meaningful in their own right. 50% upside retracement from the December high against the April low is 351.39, and 350.97 is this former 2-year channel top that still has bearing, still has strength to contain weekly buying pressures. I've also been saying 364.29, descending 2/3 speed line over the next week converges with the low 350s anyway. This is your range. Now I'm talking to 3 to 5 week swing traders because from here we can fall back to some variation of channel support. It would be a meaningful bearish rotation, let's just say back into the 270s perhaps. So if we happen to test 350.97 today, just know that it is the beginning of a short sale or a long liquidation. If you're still long above 295.39, you're taking full profits in the low 350s to mid 360s, narrowing daily. You're short at the low 350s and anticipation of bearish rotation back to 295.39 or lower within several weeks. I don't, up in this vicinity, have any interest in going long Tesla unless we close above 364.29. And if we do, over the next week or two, settle above this important descending 2/3 speed line, then I would anticipate, probably by the end of the year, this 5-year channel top at 513.36. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.